Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAD professional quantifiers. Now, in the daily DILR sets and in the daily quiz, we have a very interesting set in the form of analytical reasoning today, where there are some conditions and you have to solve it. Okay, before we move to the set, this is the comprehensive overview of the courses that we provide. If you are interested in joining us, our new batch is going to start super soon. Please join us as soon as possible. Okay. So let's see what the set is all about. It says Gold Card, a credit company, offers various credit cards, Good Platina, special kind of card, given to elite customers. Some of the prior properties of the card are: the card number is made up of 16 digits. Digits range from 0 to 9 and it cannot consist of all the zeros. So there has to be one, or there has to be there has to be few numbers different than 0. Okay. So the sum of any 3 consecutive digits of the credit card is called number n. Sum of any 3 consecutive digits is n, means sum of any 3 digits is going to be same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. These are the 16 places that I have with me. So whatever the sum is A, B and C holding, A plus B plus C is equal to n. The same sum has to be given by B plus C plus this. Can I say if A plus B plus C is n, then A has to come here also in order to make it n. And then B plus C plus next 3 digits. Next 3 digits, if I say C plus A plus something is equal to n, then it again has to be B. A very, very simple thing to observe. Which means that the 3 digits that I am going to write on the first three places, these are going to repeat them periodically. Let's take a small example. Let's say I'm writing 1, 2, 3. So the sum is 6. 1, 2, 3. The sum of first three is 6. Let's take the next 3 digits now. If I am taking the next 3 digits, 2 plus 3, 1, and it has to be 1, 2 plus 3, 5, and it has to be 1 here to make it 6. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. Let's take the other thing now. Let's take these 3 numbers now. Now, if I will take the next 3 numbers, these 3 numbers, 3 plus 1, 4, and then it has to be again 2 to make it 6, and then 1, 2, 3, and it has to be again 3 to make 6. So, very simple thing to observe that if there are 3 integers, these 3 integers are going to repeat them again and again, and it will be a pattern. So, when I am saying 16 digits, I can actually break it like this: 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15, and 3, 1, 16. Okay. So this is the basic information given to me. And the 3 places will repeat themselves, right? Every customer is given 2 numbers along with n, x and y, where x is the third digit and 4th, 14 digit respectively. So this is x and 14, 3, 6, 9, 12. This is y. This is x and this is y to help him remember his card number. Okay, let's see how it helps. Let's see the first question. Ravi bought a gold card platina which had n is equal to 17. How many distinct digits can a card have? So n 17 hai. There is no restriction upon x or y, but the sum of these 3 digits is 17, which means this is 17 and now everything is 17. Now I need to find the number of distinct digits in the pattern. Okay, so it is not asking me that whether it can be 9, 8, let's say something and then something, then something. It is simply asking me कि यार एक ही अगर password होगा मेरा, उसके अंदर ही कितने distinct digits आएंगे? Let's say if there are 3 numbers A, B, C, can there be 3 distinct? Very easily there can be 3 distinct, right? The 3 digit distincts can be of the type, let's say 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 11, no, not 5, 6, 7. 5, 3, 8 and 9, 17. So 5, 3, 9. These are the 3 distinct digits. And then 3 and 9, 12, and this will be 5, 9, 5, 14, this will be 3, and this will be 9, that like we discussed. So there are 3 distinct digits here. There cannot be more than 3 distinct digits because इसके बाद repetition आएगी ही आएगी. क्या मैं इसी में किसी को same रख सकता हूँ? Can I make any of them same? Can I write, let's say if I am writing 17 as 8, 8 and 1, will that work? 1, 8, 8, 1, 8, 8 and so on. Yes, it can work. So it can very possibly work. I cannot keep 3 equal because number is not divisible by 3. Okay, so the maximum I can keep is 2 distinct. So maximum I can keep is 3 distinct, otherwise 2 distinct. So answer for the first question is either 2 or 3. The answer is either 2 or 3. Very straightforward. Okay. Let's read the next one. Sham bought a card with n is equal to 18. So the sum is 18 and x is equal to 7. So this is 7. Then what is the maximum sum of any 5 consecutive digits? So any 5 consecutive digits can be this. Any 5 consecutive digits can be this. उसके बाद तो हमारा पैटर्न फॉलो सेम करेगा और 1 3. Now sum of 2 digits is 7. Sum of 1 is 7. 7 plus a plus b is equal to 18. Then what is my a plus b? A plus b is 11. अब मैंने a plus b को 11 रखना है. Let me take some cases and let me try. Okay. I know that some of my, when I'm taking 5 digits, let's say a, b, c, and let's say a, b, c. In any ways, if I am taking 5 digits, my 2 of my digits are going to be repeated. दो digits तो पक्का ही पक्का repeat होंगे. जैसे a b हुआ और a b repeat हुआ, c एक बार आया, right? तो मैं क्या करूंगा, जो नंबर ज्यादा बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं, दो नंबर, उनको मैक्सिमाइज करने की ट्राई करता हूँ. Let us try to do this. Let's keep it as 9 and then 2 7, then it will be 9 and it will be 2. So 9 into 11 7 18 9 27 and 2. इस केस में आया आपका आंसर 29. Okay, if I keep let's say 7 over here and let me take next 5 digits. 2 and 7 9, 9 9 18 to 20 and 7 27. कम हो गया ये तो. Okay. An interesting thing to notice, यहाँ पे मेरा 7 दो बार आया. क्या मैं अपने 9 को भी दो बार लेके आ सकता हूँ 7 के साथ? Can I bring it also? Let's try. Let's keep it as 2 and 9 and then it will be 2 and 9 and 7. Now let's take these 5 numbers. If now I take these 5 numbers, 9 plus 7 16 plus 2 18 plus 9 27 plus 7 34, which means the maximum I can form is 34. So pretty straightforward again. I just needed to conclude that where I am getting the maximum values, right? So the answer is 34. For n is equal to 26, what is the largest value of x plus y? Now it is a pretty straightforward. I don't even need to solve it because x and y, the maximum possible value I can allocate is 9 9. Okay, 9 9 ही allocate कर सकता हूँ, the sum is going to be 18. Okay, I can permute it. I know if it is 26, so 9 9 and 8, I can keep it as 9. I can keep it as 9. This is automatically 9. This will be 8. This will be my pattern. Okay, so this is again done. Let's read the last one. Pradeep's card has 3 unique digits with his lucky number being 20. So what are the various combinations he can have? Okay, what is the various, how many different cards can he get to have his lucky number? So different cards देख लिया मुझे. So let's talk about any 3 numbers because then they have to be arranged only. So the numbers are a plus b plus c is equal to 20. Let's keep 1 as high as possible and try to arrange other 2. Let's say this is 9. So if this is 9, then this is 11. What are the possibilities? 6 and 5. What are the other possibilities? 7 and 4. Other possibilities 9, 8 and 2, 8 and 3. 9 9 is not possible because all the digits have to be distinct. So these are the possibilities with 9 being the highest number. Let's keep the highest number as 8. So there should be no 9 now. Okay, if this is 8, this cannot be 9, this cannot be 8. So let's keep it as 7. 8 and 7 15 and 5 20. Can I keep it lower? 8 and 6 14 and 6 20? No. 8 and 5 13 and 7 20 already done. 8 and 4 12 and 8 is not allowed. 8 and 3 11 and 9 is already done here. So nothing else can be made with this. Okay. Okay, so these are the 4 combinations. Let's try to keep it as 7. So if this is 7, the rest is 13. How can I get 13? 7 and 6 is not possible. Repeating. 8 and 5. 8, 5, 7 is already taken care of. Okay. And then it will be 7 and 9. No, sorry, 7 and 8 is done. 7 and 6 is done. So is there anything left? 4 and 9 is already taking place. 3 and 10 हो नहीं सकता हमारा. So these nothing else is possible. So there are only 4 arrangements, and these 3 arrangements can be permuted here in each one in 3 factorial ways. ठीक है? जैसे 965 है ना, 965 956 569 596. ठीक है? उसके बाद 695 659. So there are 6 arrangements possible for every one pair. So if this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, total is 24. So the right answer is 24 different arrangements are possible. So pretty straightforward set. The only thing was to, if you could have observed that how can I keep my digits intact, it would have helped you a lot. Okay. So with this, I'll finish up my session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day. Thank you so much, guys.